Prince George, British Columbia is home to 7 sawmills, 3 pulp mills, 1 paper mill, 2 pellet plants, and multiple secondary wood manufacturing facilities. The forestry sector is the driving force of the Prince George economy. It supports over 11,000 full-time jobs in British Columbia. It produces $4 billion in total output and creates $1.5 billion in GDP. Over the years, the forest industry has evolved from one of the lowest tech to highest technology industries in the local economy, regularly hiring and investing in the technology sector. There are more than 300 forestry-related businesses in the Prince George area, and many of them are using technology or identifying new technologies to help support forestry companies in the area. Local companies like Ascentech have played a significant role in this transformation.
So one of the things that we've really identified with working with our forestry partners is the industry is really changing for them as well. One of the things that Ascentech has been trying to do is help them understand how they can leverage the technologies that exist, because computers and technology are as much a part of logging or forestry as any other industry.
We've done quite a bit of work in terms of process improvement, some new application and new systems development, helping them to look at ways to integrate systems that they already have in place, just really trying to reduce some of the inefficiencies that they have between their various units, helping them to really be able to do things more remotely. If we think about our resources-based companies, most of them have a large contingents of their workforce that are not based in an office. And so it's really just helping them to, use technology in a way that really helps them to streamline their operations.
It's not just local firms that realize the advantages that Prince George has to offer. Companies like Strategic have located and set up in Prince George as a means to take advantage of the opportunities that the forestry sector brings. They find a new way to bring their technologies to market.
So some of the tech opportunities I see in and around Prince George, especially with the forest industry, are really related to how we collect that data in field and how we present that to the client. Clients are looking for more efficient and effective ways to collect data in the field, and then we're looking at better ways to sort of manage our environment sustainably and pass information on to the sort of the harvesting end of things to make their lives easier and safer.
And looking at the opportunities that exist in Prince George for technology-related businesses, we're not the first. We came because of this developing cluster that's been ongoing for at least the last 20 years. Some of the things that we like to do that were different better was simply actually adopting new practices and technologies, things like LiDAR and remote sensing, trying to find ways to do the job quicker, better, easier, and ultimately ending up with a different outcome and be able to provide a different solution for our clients. I'm really excited to be here in Prince George because we feel there's a real positive host environment here that's ready to accept our thought processes around innovation, the adoption of technology, and simply finding new and better ways of doing things in the resource sector. We may work predominantly in forestry and other industrial sectors, but there's so much else that we can do as we see the city grow and emerge. We feel that this can actually be one of the leading offices for our company.
Whether it's steep slope harvesting, forestry management, or process improvements, technology is the future of forestry. If you're interested in expanding your business to Prince George, please visit the city's economic development website at www.investprincegeorge.ca.